We've all been there. You're trying to capture life's most epic moments, but your phone just can't keep up. That's why we're talking about the GoPro Hero11 Black Mini today. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on it. It's tiny but packs a punch. For the best price, click the link in the description, /N. Are you tired of carrying around a bulky camera just to get that one perfect shot? Well, put down your worries because this little guy is about to change the game. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into what makes the GoPro Hero11 Black Mini so special. First off, let's talk specs. This thing has a 1.9 sensor, which is basically unheard of in a camera this small. That means you get crystal clear video and photos, even in low light conditions. But that's not all. It also has enhanced stabilization, making those shaky shots a thing of the past. /N. But what really got my attention was the color accuracy. I mean, this thing can capture some serious depth and nuance, especially when it comes to skin tones. Therefore, if you're a content creator looking for that next-level quality, you should definitely give this a shot. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this really worth the investment? And honestly, at first glance, it might seem like overkill. But let me tell you, this little camera is a beast. Therefore, if you're serious about capturing life's most epic moments, don't hold back. But here's a twist. This thing isn't just for prosumers. The GoPro Hero11 Black Mini also has some seriously cool features that make it perfect for beginners, like its built-in GPS, which lets you track your routes and locations with ease. /N. For example, I was out hiking last weekend, and I decided to test the GPS feature. Let me tell you, it's a total game changer. Therefore, if you're an outdoorsy type who loves exploring new trails, this is definitely worth checking out. But don't just take my word for it. Let's talk about some of the other cool features, like its ability to shoot 5.3K video at 30 FPS or its enhanced audio recording capabilities. But what really gets me excited is the price point. /N. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this thing worth the investment? And honestly, at first glance, it might seem like overkill. But let me tell you, this little camera is a beast. Therefore, if you're serious about capturing life's most epic moments, don't hold back. But here's a twist. I actually found a cheaper alternative on Amazon, and I'm including the link in the description below. So why not check it out? It's like they say, you get what you pay for. Or do you? By now, you're probably wondering if this thing is worth the investment. Well, let me tell you, it absolutely is. Therefore, go ahead and click that link in the description to snag your GoPro Hero11 Black Mini today, /N. And finally, a joke. Why did the camera go to therapy? Because it was feeling a little exposed. Okay, I'll stop. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and get ready to capture life's most epic moments with the GoPro Hero11 Black Mini, /N. Call to action too. Don't forget to click that link in the description below for the best price on Amazon.